Hey guys, how's it going? So Voyager just delivered the earnings. The market is slightly red this morning, so it might affect Voyager's price. Stock price, because when a market is red, everything else is red, regardless of news or good news. So let's talk about it. Voyager Digital reports revenue of $175 million for fiscal 2021 and provides a business update. Uh, 175 is really good compared to 1 million of fiscal 2020 years. So they increased their revenue by 175 million, but it kind of makes sense because the the fiscal 2020 of October last year, nobody really knew about this company. This company just started operations, and uh crypto wasn't hot and nobody really knew about this company. But then when the company blew up, uh and they started getting customers, that's when revenue started to come in. That started at the beginning of the year. So this is this revenue is actually from more like 6 months of revenue, rather than this 175 million is it mostly came from 6 months of revenue and not like from the whole year. So what is Voyager's total revenue for fiscal of 2022? Because that is their full year of revenue for the time thing, right? They've already started with $67 million for the first 3 months. That's the worst month because it was in the summer, and in the summer it was bad because of the crypto trading and the fact that we were in a bear market in the summer. But October, November, especially November, because what happened in October? There was a Shiba Inu. Uh, in November, we have a full month of Voyager Digital being advertised with Mark Cuban and his basketball team. So, and we've been having pretty much a lot of volatility in the crypto market. So I'm thinking November is going to be a very good month, and I'm thinking December is going to be a very good month. So we could be seeing revenues of over 100 million, 150 million. So, and then continuing forward, unless we have another crypto bear market in the new year, next year we could be seeing revenues of 500 million plus for the total revenue, or even more, maybe $1 billion with Mark Cuban helping us. We could see an increase from $175 million of revenue to $1 billion of total revenue for the next fiscal quarter of 2020. I don't know what the operational income will be, but the operational income was a total of 56 million, but it's actually a little higher than that if we look at the details of the operational income. There was a share-based compensation of 13 million dollars. You could, in theory, take out the share-based compensation, and the operational income was actually sitting at 68 million dollars. So share-based compensation is a tax write-off, kind of, so it doesn't really count because that's just increasing the amount of shares. So the operational income was actually really good, and then they had some warrants and liabilities, which made them have a net loss of $51 million. I guess there's some other like change in fair value of crypto asset borrow, that I don't know, and fees on crypto assets borrow. So up total up other income loss of a 96 million. total net loss came to 51 million. So, but it's not really, it really doesn't count. And if you look at the total cash position, look at the last quarter cash position. It was sitting at around 70, I believe a total of 145 million. The total current cash position right now is $193 million. They have some warrant liabilities, which, easily get rid of that. Other current liabilities, I don't know what that means, but liability, but they have no debt. Company has no debt, zero debt. So very, very, very good on the company's balance sheet. Yeah, they owe customers assets, but of course, it just makes sense. Assets get deposited into the account, and they owe customers that much asset. But company's not in any kind of danger whatsoever. So when it was sitting at $10 or $9 and 11 Canadian dollars, that was a huge buying opportunity. I don't know why the stock price went down that low, but it did, and manipulation by big money, I'm assuming, but it was a huge buying opportunity. And moving forward, I don't think the stock price is, in my opinion only, I don't think the stock price is probably going back down there anymore. But anything's possible. We can go into another crypto bear market, and the stock price could go back down to those wonderful levels, and you could be having another big discount. But moving forward, the customer and the user base will grow massively, and I think Voyager stock will get rewarded. So the market is not officially open right now, but the stock is not doing too much. I mean, I'm thinking the stock market is going to be green this morning. I don't know. We'll see. But only time will tell. VGX token is doing nicely. Look at the VGX token. It's up 10% this morning, $3.07. And I went out and I did buy some VGX token. I was like, kind of worried that, if Voyager stock keeps going up, the VGX token will go up, and I wanted to secure at least enough tokens. So I got about 650 tokens. I wanted to secure enough tokens to get at least the basic of the tokens. I could go more, I could go bigger, but for some reason Binance is being funny. They won't let me buy more. Buying VGX token on Binance is a pain in the ass, because you have to go buy Bitcoin, then you have to convert those Bitcoins into VGX tokens, and for some reason and in Canada, buying crypto is a pain in the ass. Why? Because you have to go, like my BMO, I can't buy Bitcoin. So I had to open up a TD account, then I had to transfer my money from my BMO to my TD account, and then I have to use my TD Visa card to go buy crypto. And for some reason, my TD account won't let me buy any more crypto for some reason. I can't seem to purchase more crypto. I managed to buy some, and after that, my card won't let me buy any more crypto. So I'm like, what the hell? I looked at my account balance. I'm like, I have more money here. Why can't I buy crypto? So it wouldn't let me. But I'm gonna try again today, see if I can buy some more. To make my position at least 1,000 coins or more, because I believe that VGX token is very cheap right now, and I think it's gonna go higher if the stock goes higher. So I kind of want to secure my position when the Voyager app comes, so I can participate in at least the middle tier, right? The middle tier weighs about 5,000 coins, but but if but Steve did say that if Voyager token goes up massively, they might reduce the requirement for the Voyager rewards program. So I'm not too worried about that, but who knows? We'll see what happens. I would rather secure my position, at least for the middle tier. Top tier, you know, I could. I mean, in theory, I do have the money to do that, but I would have to, but it's just it's a little difficult right now because I don't have a huge amount of cash on hand. It's in because it's in my RSP and tax-free saving account and my corporation, so it's a little tough to get cash, like liquid cash, to go buy myself 30,000 tokens. I mean, I could sell some stocks, and then I could use that, and then I could transfer that money into, you know, crypto. It's also a pain in the ass because I can only do $3,000 every 24 hours. I can't just do, $30,000, in one single day. It's retarded how it works right now, but if I do it every day, like 3,000 every day, 3,000 every day, in 10 days I can get my 30,000 or whatever it requires to get my 20,000. But yeah, I don't know if I'm really that dedicated to get that Explorer too, but who knows. Lucid is up 9.91% right now, so Voyager could be up. We'll see. Let's go look at Voyager. I bet you anything it's green, but wouldn't be surprised. Ooh, $20.13, baby. $20.13. Like I predicted, it's going to be green today. It's in an uptrend position. Makes sense. But anyways, thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this. Subscribe for future updates and have a great day. Bye.